Hello everyone, I am Ritu Kaushal again with you, and today I am going to talk about a very beautiful course, Candle Ritual Basics. In this course, I am not going to tell you any ritual, but I am going to tell how we can perform the rituals or how we can design rituals as per our need and values. In this course, you will learn how we can cut cords by simple candles, how we can clean our aura energy circle by candles. We can recharge candles with positive energy. We can create a very positive environment around us with candles. Also, I will say how you can heal your karmas with candles. So this is a very beautiful course, and 3 days I took on WhatsApp, and if someone wants to learn face to face, that too is invited with the great love and respect. So please join me in this course. This is a wonderful course. Small tip is here: believe in energy, and it is always helpful you. And candle is a wonderful energy of fire, and it really brings a positive change in your life on practice. So I request everyone, please join this course with great love, with great passion, and I am always ready to teach good people. Presently I am announcing course according to the environment of present time, so it is very nice to join these courses and empower yourself with positive energy and keep yourself on higher vibrations. I hope you understand, and God bless you with happiness, health, love, and inner joy. You can share this video with your friends, family. If anyone wants to learn, anyone can learn this course. It is not important that person should be connected with any energy. Anyone can do this course. To do this course, please join me on my email ID, and you can join me on Hangouts as well, because Hangout is a very beautiful place for conversation and discussion and learning. Also, I'm pasting here a link of my Facebook page. That too can be an easy access for everyone. Only serious people, those wants to see the change in their life, they are invited to join me with great love and peace. Thank you very much everyone. You gave your precious time to listen me, and I hope you are happy, healthy, and blissful at your place. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.